Clotty, your visitor is here again. Is that the father of your kittens, Clotty? Huh? Huh, Clotty? Huh? Is that the father of your kittens, huh? Hmm? That black cat, huh? Broke 2 glasses yesterday. Hmm? But I'm not angry with him, Clotty. See? I shared our food with him, Clotty. Hmm? 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 It's okay, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.